Hi guys. Well, I'm finishing it up now. And somebody asked in the comments, how do I support them in the middle? Well, I've got the cross bracing up here and down there, and I'm putting screws all the way across 4 points of contact on this so that it cannot blow off. And today I'm sitting comfortable. I put boards up here so I can sit, because yesterday I was trying until my legs cramped up and I couldn't stay up here. Now I'm sitting and resting on a board, absolutely comfortable. I'll sit my tool down, I'll slide myself over a little, and I'm sitting comfortable as anything again. I'll show you on the other side. Well, Melanie can show you how it's together now. So now I can just sit here comfortable and relax. And the difference of having these boards up here is everything. And it better holds my metal down so the wind can never rip that up. And that's a bonus, because I put these on the wrong way. They're facing that way. And in retrospect, I should have had them, the lip facing that way where the wind doesn't blow. But now it's stronger. It's been up here a couple years. It'll be here for years and years to come. So now I'm working in absolute comfort and safety.
Wave? Where's your wave? Miss Philippines! Hi, Miss Philippines. Oh, that's your baby.
Now the roof is done. I got all the way across. Let me show you if I can zoom in. Somebody had asked, and somebody was sarcastically saying, oh, you'll do it later, right? I know who you are. But there they are. It's all done. You can't say I didn't do it. I decided last night I was going to do it on camera anyway before I read the comments, because it makes for an interesting video. Me hanging suspended in the air on something I built myself. Hello. Now I still have a lot of work to do though. It's going to be freezing every night this week. I feel the temperature rising in here. So now we're going to need ventilation. Here's the problem. As I close up those gaps, I'm going to look for some material for that today. And the gaps along the roofing on the front there. Then I'm going to need ventilation during the day and close it at night. Now I do also have that whole screen back there, but that's because we only had stuff here in the summer. Can you see the screen back behind there? But I'm going to close that off as well now. Actually, I think I'm going to put a big long hinged board on that so I can flop it down at night and raise it in the day and allow ventilation through there. And then my windows can be open and closed, but I don't have the screens in them, so for now I can always just open the door. But when we get to summer, we're going to have a problem. But I think the plants will be fine. I got to get the hose in and water everything because it is hot. It's going to be really getting hot in here during the day now. And those things will dry out fast, all these little pots, especially in here now. So I'm going to go in and take a little break. That was a little exhausting getting those boards up. The boards, that was exhausting. After that, it wasn't bad at all. But I'm going to water this and then go in. Well, guys, I have to trim the end off, and I'm actually going to leave an overhang a little ways so rain can't ever get under. This end I sort of squashed down a little further. I am not going back to change it because the holes are in it now. I am not going to mess with it. It is what it is. I got to cut that end off too. But now there's no water going to get on those boards through the peak, and that was a concern for me all this time. Now that was treated lumber on the back, the plywood under, but with time it was starting to get some damage with age. Anyway, I just put a blanket on here. I'm going to clip it on better, but let me show you what we got around back. So there it is. I put that's recycled junk, but actually it's from the same place I got this metal, and it was actually the same roofing. and it was enough. It did the job, so that's perfect. So I put the wrinkled side on this on the back, but that's on there. Was thinking and talking to Melanie, back here we never could grow anything, and it doesn't get enough sunlight back there anyway, and the back shelves are just that, they're storage, and that's great. I'm thinking about putting down planks back here all the way across and making a walkway, all right, all the way up to where these planks are here. And then now we have herbs that grow here, and they're successful, but beyond that nothing grows. So then I'm thinking about coming up a little ways so that sunlight can still get to them, and then coming across with another table just like that basically, but wider, this wide, and then coming across with rows of shelving all the way to the top, so that we have up to here all the way across. We got 2, 4, 6, we'll have 8 feet long shelving from floor to ceiling in here to start our seedlings and starter trays like we've got. So we have a lot more capacity, because we still got to get tomatoes and cucumbers and squash and basically everything, you know. And we want to start them now. Well, we can this week. So that'll be a project coming up really soon, getting this shelving in here to get our starters. That'll help us a lot, I think. Now, Melanie had started some mung beans, and she has hundreds of them. I have no idea how many, but probably hundreds. So she started all her mung beans. She sprouted them, and well, she was a funny thing. She didn't sprout them to grow. She sprouted them to eat, but they went too fast for her and took her by surprise. So now we've got mung beans to plant in the garden, and then all that is mung beans all back in there. And then we've got some peas, and I don't know what else she's got. She's got a lot of different plants. Some of them I had on the front ledge today. And then here she's got some things. No idea what else. What she said, marigolds are in that one. That's a good thing. She's really doing good this year. We are all doing so much better this year than ever before. So there's our grapes. Now it's going to get cold tonight, but it's going to get down to, I think, 29 or 30. But I don't think it'll hurt anything in here, because we do have the roof on, and it was 55 today and sunny and warm. So I've got the blanket on the door because there's no upper glass right there. I'm going to clip that on and close it up for the night. I think everything should be fine. We still have a bit of an air gap back there that I've got to close up, but I don't think that's, I don't know, I just hope it's going to be alright. I guess we're going to find out tonight. But I don't think that's as critical, because we've got all the heat mass, and all these pots have been out in the sun all day, and they feel warm. Melanie, when she was planting the mung bean seeds just a few minutes ago, while I was on the roof, she said, wow, it's warm in here. You can feel the difference. And then all that gap is closed. You can see it overlapped a little bit, so everything's held in place nicely. Everything is secured. Won't be any more leaks. No water coming in here. And I may leave that. I may not seal that. Tell me your thoughts, guys. But I know every building needs some ventilation, especially when you're going to have moisture like this. So I don't know. Tell me your thoughts. But I may leave that to breathe up there, as all houses have. But everything else will be closed for the night in the cold nights like we have. So we'll see. I'm hoping everything lives. I've nurtured those grapes through quite a few weeks now, and they're looking good. So that's it for today, guys. I did get the sheet metal at the same place I got the roofing metal for this greenhouse, and that's a story in itself that I'll share with you in another video, separate video, and it all ties into some other things that's been going on recently. So a day is over, and it's Melanie's birthday, so I'm going to take care of her tonight and shut it down early. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project in our little greenhouse. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient. and off the grid on a budget. And providing your own food is definitely part of being self-sufficient. Talk to you later.